Okay, how far now? I know the place now, not be this junction, I get this junction. By my right. Now there again now. Hey! Thief! Oh, that guy don't collect my money.
Wait.
What
happened now? What happened?
That guy collect my money. My money dollars.
Only your money?
Yes, my money, my dollars.
Only your money. You can't dey shout. You can't dey shout everywhere. You don't even. You need to thank God say they not collect your shoe. You see for this place they put people bossa. Now why you only money? You can't dey shout. Can't get out.
Bros, just like that.
Baby, I'm still standing outside now. Baby, where are you now? This one is hot now. Oh!
How far now? Why in the laugh? No, bros, wait, no be play. Why you no shout if?
Dustbin I wan go through, why I go shout if?
Na dustbin.
Na.
If I don't tell me say na dustbin now, na one for you, take am abeg. Na one for you.
How far na?
I dey thank you, sir.
Okay, we go see now.
Someone cannot play with you.
It's your, you don't see money here. Thief cannot thief a thief. Can a thief?
Alright, thank you for watching that Funny Love Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and also on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. Now we finished with Calabar artists. We are now coming over to Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom is someone. We are coming to feature all the artists in Akwa Ibom. Please get ready for us. We are coming there with my boss. I'm coming there. I want to feature everybody. So subscribe. See you next time.